Hello my dear friends, today we are going to discuss about fire safety. My name is Jitendra Dhankhar. I am BTech Mechanical and I am in the safety field from more than 22 years and I am working with J Kumar Infra Project Limited. We are doing a metro project which is underground project and we are currently in Surat. Our station is starting from the Surat railway station and ending on the Chowk Bazaar station. And in between we have a station called Muscatty Hospital. Muscatty Hospital station would be a metro station in future. So our project is going to end in 2027. So we are on that. Today we are going to discuss about fire safety, why fire safety training is important in day-to-day life, why it is important for everyone who is living in the country, who is living in the small cities, in the village, he is working in a school or studying in a school or whatever he is doing. Fire is very critical for all of us. If we have to survive in this planet, we must know about the fire hazards and must know about the fire safety. So see what is the presentation saying, what is the PPT saying. This fire is one of the most important and interesting subject for everyone. If you are studying in a school, college, university and working in a mall, theatre, factory, construction sites, you are living in a village, city or sitting in your own home, it is for everyone, because we generally do not prefer fire safety as much hazardous. Nowadays in every school, in every college, in every subjects, fire is being added in every subject, so that our children can understand how to react in a case of fire, how to rescue someone, how to do first aid to a person who is injured from the fire. And you must have heard that recently we had a very bad accident in Rajkot, which was on 25th May. The accident was very huge and we lost almost 27 life, and most of them was the children's, was the who can be the big political leaders, who can be the doctors, who can be the main human beings who can deliver to some political advice to us. They are gone, the lives has gone. So this is very accident. So fire is a most hazardous thing for all of us if we do not take it seriously. Fire, if is in controlled manner, can be very good for us, because it can cook, we can cook our food and we can cook a person also with the fire. So choice is in our hand. If we are prepared, if we do have knowledge of the fire, how to react in a case of fire, what to do in a case of fire, what would be our job responsibility in case of fire. Whoever we are, wherever we are, wherever, if we are working or we are studying, everywhere, everyone should understand about the fire. However, fire incidents are avoidable and predicted at early stage. See, the PPT says that it can be prevented and predicted at early stage if we find it, and if we know that the fire is going to happen in a small, if the fire, you have seen a fire incident like someone is going from the room and with having a cigarette in his hand and he throw the bird unintentionally or intentionally. If someone combustible material, if it came in contact with some combustible material, it can lead to a fire incident, a big fire incident. You must have heard that Rajkot incident was happened only just because of the welding spark. So how the size of the welding spark, how big? A small size of the welding sparkles can lead to such a measurable accident. So we will move further. Why fire safety important for any individual? Thousands of people are being killed or seriously injured every year as a result of fire, whether you are working in an organization, residence in a building. See, we are mentioning here that if you are residence in a building, nowadays you are seeing that everywhere there are huge buildings, skyscrapers are there. So if you are living in any of the skyscraper or any of the high rise building, fire is itself hazardous for you. If you are on the top floor or if you are on the 6th floor or 7th floor, if fire occurred at the first floor or second floor, you don't left with any option. You have to evacuate the building. If there is a fire, you have to evacuate from the building and you have to be on the safe place. But everyone do not know how to do, how to rescue, how to evacuate the building, what would be the rescue, and what would be the rescue drill, what would be the mock drill. Everyone doesn't know. If you are trained, if you are a person who know about the fire, you can train your children's, your families, your neighborhood. The entire human being is very important. So we do not give priority to the fire awareness. I have seen and I have asked a personal question to some of the person who working with me in the organization, who do the office job, whatever you will do in the case of fire. They just keep silence. They don't know what to react. But if you are working in an environment or in a building, you should be aware about the fire hazards of the building. Like if you are in the office, you must have to know that where is the fire points, where is the fire load, what is the fire load of the building, what are the combustible material presence in the building, so that you can be you should be safe if you know the about the fire safety. So why safety is important? So do you have any idea about how many children are impacted by fire accident? So every year approximately 500 children under the age of 14 are killed by the fire. These children can be could be the great politicians, could be the doctors, could be the engineers, and can play a very good role to the humanity. But now they are gone. As you seen and heard about the Rajkot accident, it was a very bad accident for the society. So residential fire are most common cause of the death or injury among the children, as the children do not have a developed or have not been trained how to deal with the fire. They do not know how to react in such dangerous condition. If you are living in a society where you are living in a high rise building, you must know and you must have to train your family about you should practice with the closed eye to evacuate your room, to evacuate your society, to evacuate your building, and it should be regularized. It can be considered as a mock drill, and you should be known to everyone should be known to the mock drill. And fire, how can it happen? So it can be caused by cooking appliances, by cigarette butts, by damaged gas cylinders, pipes, or non-operational fire alarm system. Damaged or blocked fire hydrant system are most likely the cause of major fire accidents. A number of major fire accidents have been happened due to the non-availability of fire appliances such as fire extinguisher, sprinkler system. Everyone entered in the building and living in the residential building do not understand what is the devices. If you see the white circle or equipment which is fitted on the ceiling, you don't know what is this. So you should know that is the smoke detector, and the red tube, the red bulb is there, is a sprinkler, and